Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync music with video and Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and drop a comment. So let's begin. Now we will be needing to start a project or go to any other project that you are already working on. In my case, I'm just going to start with a video. And let's just use this one as an example. And I'm going to click on done so it can create our project. Now we are on the editing panel. So as you can see here, we have this timeline. This is the first second, third seconds, etc. Now we want to sync audio or to sync a music with it. That means we want to add a music to it. So simply we will be needing to add either an audio or you can add a sound effects. So I'm just going to click on audio and from here you will be able to choose anyone and I'm going to add it and already it will give you these ones that are widely used or that will be suitable to your video, and from here you can choose these ones that are highlighted, and as you can see, choose the part you want for your video. Now we click on done, and as you can see, it will be created and it will be fitting your video, and from here you will be able to start also editing on this audio itself. So as you can see here, you can start slipping it. You can have some fading if you'd like, so you can give it more vivacity or fluidity. You can also change the volume so it can be good or so it can be suitable to the volume or the energy of the video, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.